how much should you actually spend on a spray gun for Plasti Dip? Because you'll find options that are super cheap, but also some that are pretty pricey. The interesting part, price doesn't always mean better performance. Product number 1, Plasti Dip Multi-Purpose Spray. First up, we have the 2-pack Plasti Dip Multi-Purpose Rubber Coating Spray in black, priced at $28.49. Honestly, what caught my attention about this is its high rating of 4.6 stars from over 1,200 reviews. If you want reliable protection for your surfaces, this is worth a serious look. The non-slip grip allows for better control, which is critical when you're trying to coat something evenly. Plus, it doesn't crack in harsh weather, so it's great for outdoor projects. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With over 1,000 sales in the past month, it's clear that many find this effective for their DIY needs. Now, some users did mention that the spray can sometimes clog, which can be frustrating. Here's the thing though, if you clean the nozzle immediately after use, it shouldn't be a deal breaker. This product is still a fantastic pick for anyone serious about their projects. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a dependable spray to coat various items. Skip this one if you need a super quick one-time use product. It offers solid value for the quality. Now, if the clogging issue bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Can Gun Spray Handle. Next, we have the SafeWorld Instant Aerosol Trigger Handle, priced at $13.95. This caught my eye because it has a whopping 4.5-star rating from over 4,400 reviews, making it a popular choice. If you want better control while spraying, this is definitely worth a serious look. This handle converts standard spray cans into spray guns, making the application much easier. Plus, it's designed to fit most aerosol cans, so you won't have compatibility issues. Here's why this matters for you. With its ergonomic design, you can spray longer without feeling fatigue, which is a game changer for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. Now, some folks reported that it doesn't fit every can perfectly, which can be a hassle. But honestly, if you stick to standard cans, you should be just fine. For the price, this is a fantastic tool that enhances your spraying experience. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an ergonomic handle to improve your spray accuracy. Skip this one if you prefer using specialized cans that might not fit. It's a solid investment for the comfort it brings. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who want a bit more flexibility. Product number 3, TCP Global Spray Handle. Coming in at number 3, we have the Instant Aerosol Trigger Handle from TCP Global, priced at $14.99. This is another winner with a 4.5-star rating from 5,000 reviews. If you need an easy-to-use trigger that fits all spray cans, you should really check this one out. This handle features a full hand grip that helps reduce finger fatigue, which is a lifesaver during extended usage. It clips on and off easily, making it super convenient for quick projects. Plus, it's lightweight, so you won't feel weighed down while working. Here's why this matters for you. You'll get a much smoother finish and better control, minimizing the risk of paint runs. However, some users mention that the clips can wear out over time, which is something to consider. But here's the thing, for the price and ease of use, it's still a great deal. Just be gentle with it, and you should be good to go. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a reliable handle to use with various spray cans. Skip this one if you're someone who sprays frequently and needs a heavy-duty tool. It offers good value for occasional users. Now, if you want something even more specialized, the next product is definitely worth your attention. Product number 4, Performix Plasti Dip Spray. At number 4, we have the 4-pack Plasti Dip Multi-Purpose Rubber Coating Spray from Performix, priced at $49.19. This option caught my eye due to its impressive 4.7-star rating based on 2,000 reviews. If you're serious about your Plasti Dip projects, this is worth a serious look. These sprays are designed to resist moisture, acids, and even electrical shock. That means you can use them on a variety of surfaces without worrying about wear and tear. The anti-skid feature ensures that your coated items won't slip out of your hands, which is a great safety measure. Here's why this matters for you. With 50 units sold in the past month, it's clearly a choice for those looking for reliable performance. On the downside, some users found the price a bit steep considering they can find single cans cheaper. But honestly, having a bulk pack means you can tackle bigger projects without worrying about running out midway through. This is perfect for you if you're looking to take on multiple projects and want the peace of mind that comes with a trusted brand. Skip this one if you're just trying Plasti Dip for the first time. It's a worthwhile investment for serious DIYers. Now, if you're looking for something that will ensure your coatings stick better, the final product might just be the perfect fit. Product number 5, Plasti Dip Primer Spray. Finally, we have the Primer 11 Oz Aerosol Spray from Plasti Dip, priced at $12.73. This caught my attention with a solid 4.5-star rating from 315 reviews. If you want to ensure your Plasti Dip bonds effectively, this is a must-have. It dries quickly, allowing you to get your projects done faster, and covers about 5-10 square feet per can. Here's why this matters for you. Applying this primer before your top coat will significantly improve your results, and with over 300 reviews, users are raving about its effectiveness. However, some users mention that it can take longer to dry than expected, which can be inconvenient. But I'll be real with you, if you follow the recommended dry times, you'll see the benefits in your final finish. This is perfect for you if you're serious about getting a professional look with your Plasti Dip. Skip this one if you're working on smaller projects where a primer might feel excessive. It's a good addition for anyone looking to enhance their spray applications. To wrap it up, we've seen some solid options today. The Plasti Dip multi-purpose spray offers great protection, while the can gun and TCP global handles enhance your spraying experience. The Performix pack is perfect for serious projects, and the Plasti Dip primer ensures great adhesion. Choose based on what suits your needs best.